Today we'll see what's the deep-rooted free gift I've got. Yes. Hello, namaste. How are you all? Hope you're all good, happy. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. And this is DRAPPLE.co. It's an app that provides fresh fruits and veggies. You can check out a wide variety of fruits and veggies on this app. And you have got at reasonable prices. Sometimes you may get less than the market price. As you see in the picture, these are some of the fruits I have ordered on deeprooted.co. If you're a first-time user of deeprooted.co app, don't forget to use referral code while you log in to get 150 rupees instant cash. If you don't know how to apply the referral code, I'll provide the videos in the I button and the end screen. The process you can check out and apply the referral code. And when you place your first order with that 150 rupees cash, you'll be getting 50 rupees cash. And this 50 rupees cash continues to 3 orders. Now, speaking of free delivery, you've got free delivery for orders above $3.99. And if you want free gift from deeprooted.co, you have to place an order of rupees 599 and above. Do use Paytm coupons or deep-rooted coupons while you check out. I'll provide those coupon codes in the description box. But note that, but after applying coupon, the order value should be above 599 rupees. Then only you'll be getting free gift. Along with free gift, you'll be getting a free sample as I've got. As you see in the picture, this is the free sample I've got. I've got sweet corn. They are literally sweet and yummy. Here you can check out the price list of my order placed. Have placed 606 order value to get free gift. Now we have come to most exciting part of the video. What is the free gift I've got? Now shall we see what's the free gift I've got from deeprooted.co? Yes. This is the pouch or the potli bag I've got along with the order. It comes with Dasara greetings, as you see in the picture. Next we see toys. So how is the free gift? Did you like the free gift? Let me know in the comment section. Are these toys not pretty beautiful? Aren't they? They reflect perfect craftsman creativity and finishing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Flying Skies 1. And happy Dasra. Enjoy your holidays. Keep smiling. Meet you in the next video.